Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. We will cover essential phrases that you can use when meeting new people. By the end of this lesson, you will be confident in introducing your name and where you are from. The first way to introduce yourself is by saying, "My name is," followed by your name. For example, "My name is Sarah." Another common way is to use the contraction I'm, which is short for I am. For example, "I'm John." Both expressions mean the same thing, but I'm is more casual and commonly used in everyday conversations. Now let's learn how to tell people where you are from. Say, "I am from," or "I'm from," followed by your country or city. For example, "I am from Canada" if you want to mention your country, or "I'm from London" if you want to mention your city. This is a simple way to share your origin with others. Now combine both phrases to create a complete introduction. You can say, "My name is," plus your name, then "and I'm from," plus your location. For example, "My name is Emma and I'm from Australia." Alternatively, you can use a shorter version like, "I'm Marcus from Brazil." Both ways are correct and natural. Let's focus on correct pronunciation. When you say "my name," stress the word "my" and pronounce it clearly. When you say "I am" or "I'm," use a short sound that sounds like or I'm. The word from sounds like from with your mouth relaxed and not tense. Practice these sounds slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Here are 3 common mistakes to avoid. First mistake is saying "My name is Sarah" instead of "My name is Sarah." The correct word order is important in English. Second mistake is saying "I from Canada" without the verb am. Always say "I am from" or "I'm from." Third mistake is mixing the two phrases, like "My name is from London." Remember to use "I'm from" for location and "My name is" for your name. Let's look at real conversation examples. Person A says, "Hello, my name is James." Person B responds, "Nice to meet you, James. I'm Sophia from Spain." Then person A says, "I'm from the United States." In another example, person A asks, "What's your name?" And person B answers, "I'm Alex. I'm from Japan." Listen to these dialogues and practice repeating them. Remember 3 important phrases. Use "My name is" followed by your name to introduce yourself. Use "I'm from" followed by your city or country to tell people where you are from. Combine both phrases to create a complete introduction with confidence. Practice these phrases daily, and soon you will be able to introduce yourself naturally and confidently in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.